Good afternoon, dear friends. Today we received the products of our company global trend. A new product has been released. One of them is Energy Lux sprays, and another Wellness Lux. This Energy Lux gives energy, and Wellness Lux is a longevity medium. That is, everything here is very convenient to carry in your purse at any time when you want or you feel that your energy is running out. You have to work even further, you have a lot to do, you can splash yourself under the tongue 3 to 10 times a day, no wateries required, and after that you will feel very good. So, dear friends, we are purchasing a new product from Global Trend. This is a great company and great product. I wish you all success and have time to activate this week and receive gifts like these Smart Lux balsams.